face on that pack. That's all I want you to remember. This is a slide taken from the BBC. Very, very simple. They said the people that ate more number of fruits and vegetables, which is roughly 10 servings. I'll share an incident with you. In my clinic, if you become my client, we do a WhatsApp diary. So let's say Sunil becomes my client. So Sunil, Ryan and my dietitian, we are all on one group. Maybe Sunil's wife will also be on that. So every day Sunil is taking pictures of the food he's eating. And then once in a week I'll keep scrolling. In our clinic, when people come to us, especially in India, we are seeing lesser color. So I see brown and I see white. There is no red, there is no yellow, there is no green, there is no orange. So the simple litmus test for you to do is, when you look at your plate and you want to take a selfie, think of taking a plate selfie, look for color in your plate. That's the sure shot rule to know that you're getting enough of vegetables or fruits. Look for color. Ask yourself, is my plate colorful? And once you start doing 1 or 2 colors in a day, then come and meet me, I'll take you to 10 colors a day. But if your father or your mother is having BP, diabetes, hypertension or stroke, I will give it in writing in blood to you, my blood, that you will have the same problem. And you will get it faster than your parents unless you start adding more amount of fruits or vegetables to your diet. 4 o'clock in the evening, Adhika's next door, yaar, come on, let's go have one dosa. By the way, I crucified French fries. A dosa is the same calorie value. Have you ever seen the guy make a dosa? That's 3 tablespoons. 4th one, because it might stick. 4 tablespoons, okay, 1 tablespoon is 15 grams of fat. 15 into 9 is how much? About 130 calories, right? 130. So 4. That's about 600 calories from the oil. Forget the dosa batter. Forget the potato that you're putting in your masala dosa. So freaking 1 masala dosa is around 1,000 calories. Chalo, let's go swimming today.